Hello everyone, this is Sifat Ahmed. Today we learn about variable. Variable is a object that store our data just like a container. Let's go for a tutorial. Let's write some code. Let's take n equal to 5. Here n is a variable. Let's m equal to 6. M is another variable. Now take another variable which is sum. Now I summation these two number n plus m. That's it. Then I print this number, the sum of n. That's it. Let's Control S, alter Control N. That's it. 5 plus 6 is 11. That's our answer. We can also multiply this two number. Let's multiply the number. For multiply, we take another variable n multiply n into m, then print this value. Now let's print the value. There is 5 into 6 is 30. You also can subtract the value. Let's subtraction n into m, print double quotation. Then the difference of n and m, between this double quotation we write this text, and then the stored value of m minus m is stored in subtract variable. Let's run this. That's it. 5 minus 6 is minus 1. Also you can divide these two numbers. Let's take another variable which is divide then by m, then print for showing our data, then alter Control N. There is our result. This is the sum, then product, then subtraction, at the last division. So that's all for today. See you in the next class.